Guys, I want to do a video kind of run through everything that I've picked up so far. Pick up all your rewards, all that shit. Da, 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 da. Let me change my volume here. There we go. Alright, I just want to give you an idea of what I do to kind of maximize things as I go about my day. The first thing you want to do is you want to start off with these here. Typically, I don't. You want to keep your daily quest going while you're going through all your shit to kind of maximize. I'm gonna show you what I do to maximize everything to try to get as much shit done in as little bit of time as possible. So, like I say, you start with your daily quest. Make sure all those are set up. I typically don't use the refresh unless I have nothing, like just one R going or one S going. I try not to do anything but R and S for the experience gains. But set those up before you start everything. Also, your clan quest. Look for one at whatever level you're doing. Typically, I normally do the Shrieking Hollows. I don't see it on here. Somebody might have done it already. But I'll look for that one or like a Kruma 3. I try to get something about my level. That way, while I'm doing my other quests and shit, I'm getting those points and that's all accumulating at one time. First thing, mini map, top right corner. If you don't know how to use it, you can click it. You can go to any level you want to. You can pick the portal you want to go to. You can select NPCs, which you don't really need. And you can find any monsters here. Any monster you want. You want to go to that monster, you click it, boom, cleaves you a button to go to, boom, and you'll start running over there towards it. Typically what I'll do is I'll start off my weekly quest, and I'll just start walking to that. If you happen to run into any little treasure boxes like that, run and pick them up. I mean, every one of them's got a chance to spawn a gold gargoyle. If it does, I mean, depending on what map you're on, you're going to get gold accordingly. I think the ones in Shrieking Hollows give out like 8k per. Next thing, let's talk about, while that's going, we'll just talk about items. If you're going to do your items, I kind of screwed up on my main guy. I got all regular armor and gear here. I am working on some rare gear. My best advice would be that if you're starting out early, work on combining your A gear to try to get the rare gear. Don't waste any upgrade stones or enhancement scrolls on any of this regular gear. Try to get your A gear, and to do that you're going to want to combine it up to max level. Like you'll start with this helm here. You'll get that forge, level up, get it to level 30, boom, get another piece to level 30. The way the combining works is whatever item you put in the box first when you get ready to combine, that's going to determine what the outcome item is going to be. So if you want a weapon, say I want a dual swords weapon, that's why I'm working up this S grade dual swords weapon. I get that to 30, and then I can pick any other weapon. It don't matter what it is. I can pick this dagger, as long as it's the same grade. So pick that up, level it up. You're gonna put the dual swords weapon in first, and then put your fodder weapon in. It's gonna be random on what kind of dual swords weapon pops up, but it'll pretty much guarantee a dual swords weapon. Armor is gonna work the same way. If you want a helm, you put your helm in the box first, put another piece in, boom, you're going to get a helm. You have a chance of getting a rare piece. It seems pretty low. As far as accessories, you want to choose one type of accessory. I picked this type of accessory for the crit resist rate. You'll notice that all these black ore have crit resist on them. That's the stern. That's the attribute that this particular set has. The other sets have different things. One increases your combo. A lot of people like that pink jewel set, and that one will give you your character speed, which will make you run faster on the map. Soul crystals, man. This is where I went wrong early on in the game. I'm going to suggest you don't just go around equipping a bunch of soul crystals, because early in the game all you're going to get is a bunch of C grade and B grade, and you're going to spend a lot of Adina trying to burn those up and upgrade them. And you're going to waste a lot of Adina. So my suggestion is don't fuck with soul crystals. I wouldn't equip past C, because it's expensive to remove them. When you go to take a soul crystal off an item, it's going to cost you 12,500 per B item. When you get to a A item, it's going to cost you 25k. When you get to a S item, it's going to cost you 50k. You know, it just goes up and up and up and up. Plus what it costs to upgrade them. You go to upgrade these things, and you can see it's pretty ridiculous. To make an R, it costs 100K. So you're gonna spend a lot there. My suggestion is keep these to a minimal till you get to a point like where I'm at here, where I'm farming a bunch of A's and S's.